Joey, it was only a matter of time before someone brought it up. Now, a few U.S. senators are saying that gaps and loopholes in that immigration bill need to be addressed before it can go any further. Just 2 days ago, a day for celebration, as millions of immigrants praised Congress for finally drafting some type of legislation that would allow those living in the country illegally a path to citizenship. She says, "I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for 15 years. But now those cheers have quieted a bit as people start to worry what'll happen now that the two men identified as the suspects in the Boston Marathon bombing are from a different country, but living in the U.S. legally. According to the Associated Press, Iowa Senator Chuck Grassley says the attacks raise questions and make it clear the importance of understanding gaps and loopholes in the U.S. immigration system. Despite these concerns, U.S. Representative for District 28 Henry Cuellar says immigration reform needs to continue.
I still think that the immigration reform is going to continue, even though some people might bring this up. But I think immigration reform is going to continue, but there will be some very interesting statements and questions that will be said about immigration reform.
Cuellar says statements will be made, but the focus needs to stay on why our country needs immigration reform. He says there are plenty of good immigrants out there that contribute to society, and they shouldn't be punished for a few bad apples.
If there's a bad apple, do you paint everybody with the same paintbrush and say everybody's bad just because there's a bad apple? No, I mean, it's not. That's not the way to do it.
Cuellar adds that he's looking forward to looking at this bill, debating it, and then having it pass both the House and Senate in the near future. In our Hidalgo County Newsroom, Katie Lopez, Action 4 News.